Alright, sorry for the brief pause and redo. I just wanted to make sure I got this, and since I was a little bit distracted, there was somebody that came in. So, gonna be unboxing this, and what comes in here. So what comes in here is the processor with the nice little A series logo, so you can put in front of your PC. It says Black Edition on it. Comes with its warranty and book. And it comes with a nice cool fan. Now, as you can see, the heat sink and the gel is pretty much evened out. So when it does melt, it's gonna make a nice, smooth finish on your processor. Alright, ladies and gents, now this is where I'm gonna cross my fingers, keep my hands on the case, because any type of static electricity will ruin the chip. So I have to look and see where it's gonna go, and you can tell because the little triangle is marking, so you're gonna have to put it just like so. Alright, so I'm gonna keep my hands on the damn case. Take the processor. Add it in. Add it in. Cripes. Give me a second. No, it's supposed to go the other way around. See now, the triangle is this way. There we go. So the triangle actually pointed that way. I had to look at it because the motherboard will let you know that little triangle that I was showing you, you will actually find it on the motherboard, and that's how you actually install it. So now that we installed the damn processor on, let's go ahead and put in the fan. Now the fan has its own source, and it says here CPU fan, and then there's CPU fan 1. I love that this is a 4-pin, and there's a lot of 4 pins on this. When installing the CPU fan, do try not to move it, jiggle it, or force it on the processor. Chances are you're going to scratch the surface of the processor and then it will not work. Or basically you're just going to ruin your product. Checking if it, see which way it should go. It should go this way because I already friggin' ruined the thermal paste on it. But I guess it goes in this way. goes on that way. All right, pretty good. Let me check out what's going on this side. No, it doesn't go that way. Fudge that. See, this is one of the things you shouldn't do. Fiddle around with the case with the CPU fan. All right, so now that we're secure, we're able to go ahead and put the rest of the stuff in. Now, I took out a hard drive. I gotta put that back in. I've given it a little bit space. And since I do have enough SATA cables, I should be able to manage completely once I'm done. So these are the basic RAM that I'm going to be installing onto the PC. As you can see, I have 4 gigs each. And it's the Corsair Vengeance. So let's go ahead and start adding these. All right, so now that they're all secure, push them in pretty good. It's time to add in the video cards. So what I got here is the Sapphire R7 265s. They're pretty huge. And I'm going to be putting them into the slot. For gotta make sure I have enough space so they don't scratch. Pretty much anything. You will know that it's secure when it actually locks in. Let's see if I can actually put in the other one over here. Oh, yes, I can. I do have enough space. And there we go. That's basically it. That's my installation process of it. I will actually add in the power supply, which is the 1000 watt. 1000. So I got the 1000 watt power supply by Ultra. Well, it's actually 1050, but y'all get the picture. So YouTube, thank you guys all for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, rate, do comment. And I'll catch you all on my gaming channel on Twitch. I'll put a link below. I'll put a link in the description. I'll put all of the products that I ended up getting. I'll put all the links that you guys would want if you are interested in the setup that I have. Believe me, The gaming setup that I had actually built is pretty decent and is cost pretty much $400 is what you might range on all of these products all put together.